What is happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a pretty cool unboxing that I'm going to do for you. I've recently got a full big brake kit from EBC Brakes. What I'm going to do for you guys is a full unboxing video of this kit and see how it is before I put it on the car. So the kit itself came in two big massive boxes, this one and then this one, so let's get them open. Oh wow. Jesus. Look at the size of these calipers, man. I don't even think I'll get them out with one hand. Oh wow. Wow. These are a thing of beauty. Jeez. 6 pistons, 6-pot brakes on the Mini, so this is going to be phenomenal when I take it on track or give it a bit of a thrashing on the back roads, but wow, they are mega. So 2 calipers are in the first box, and I'm not sure what's in here, but I'll get these opened up and show you. So I've opened up the second box, so in here it looks like the fixtures and fittings for the kit itself. I think that's, yeah, the carriers and bolts, washers, etc. So I'm not going to open any of this stuff up, because what I plan on doing is doing another video where I fit them. Me and my mate are going to fit them to the car. So if you want to see that video as well, like, subscribe. I'll get that posted soon. There's a second box in here as well, so let me quickly open this one up and we can see what's in here. Ah, cool. Brake fluid. I didn't know it came with brake fluid, but that is awesome. So, .4 brake fluid, which is decent. And braided lines. Nice. So we've got front 6-pot calipers, braided lines, brake fluid, and also got all the fixtures and fittings to make sure that the actual caliper fits on the car. And for anyone who has cats, what is their obsession with cardboard boxes, man? Yeah, so in the first box then, so we had all the fixtures and fittings for it, braided lines, brake fluid, and the calipers themselves. And wow, the quality on them is absolutely insane. Granted, this isn't the cheapest kit that you can get, because of course you could upgrade to the 4-pot John Cooper Works on a stock Cooper S, but honestly these look absolutely unbelievable. We'll open the second box that they sent us as well, and we can see what's in this one. So I've opened up the second box, and in here we have the floating discs. These are going to look cool, so I'll get these opened up and I'll show you. Wow, this thing is literally a work of art. Like, it weighs an absolute ton, but wow, that is honestly so impressive. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to go and grab a dinner plate just for size reference to show you the difference, because this thing is huge. Right, so here is a standard size dinner plate. Let's put it next to the disc. That just gives you an idea of how big this brake disc is. Like, it is literally colossal. The stopping power on these is going to be insane. Yeah, so that's the unboxing video of the EBC big brake kit. I'm planning on getting this on the car probably in the next couple of weeks. My Mini's actually away getting wrapped at the moment. I'm getting a full colour change done on it, and then I'm going to move on straight to do the brake discs. I noticed that I don't have rear braided lines, so I'm probably going to need to order some. I'm not sure in terms of the rear what I can do to upgrade it, so if you guys have got any idea, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, if you liked the video, please hit like, please hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.